NdinguLilitha Ntsundwani, NdinguMphambukeli. Ndiphenjelwa imililo, ndibanjelwa amazolo, ndiqekiselwa inzilo, ndilala ngezililo, ndivuke ndicula iculo, ndisithi ndingumphambukeli. I am the evidence of Christ coming down on earth, crucified on the cross in Calvary, carrying away my sins in a mandate to conceive his sons. I am the witness that never wanders in these earth's valleys, for I accepted the lily of the valley that takes away all those fears that those darkest valleys pose. I am in a position of rest, for all the rocks rolled and shown to me, find me in the rock of ages and him in me since the early ages. Now behold, all those who are burdened come to me, and I will give you rest. I am an ambassador. I am the essence of the ancient of days. 3 days of him in that grave couldn't continue more above his forward. Now behold, I shall destroy this building, and in 3 days I shall rebuild it. But the informed yet not transformed fast couldn't comprehend that humankind renewal process of the carnal mind into a spiritual mind. They thought they are only persecuting him to never fulfill his promise, not knowing they are perpetuating him to the everlasting fulfillment of his promises. As I yes and amen, I am. Oh. Ndilalelwa umhlaba ezolo, ndidizinzolo yesimilo ezalisa izolo, ndikhupha amazwi azungeza izimangalo, ndizelwa ngemiqolo, ndilandelwa sisirhogolo sobulondo, ndilale ndidlisa idolo, ndivuke nditshatshele utshikile, ndisithi ndingumphambukeli. Now I fought and I wrestled with myself and I figured I am nothing and he is everything. There are times I'll be frightened and frustrated in a catastrophe, and I ask him, where did you go? Because you said, now behold, I will never leave you nor forsake you. And he'd respond with his merciful and graceful voice, my son, rather ask, where did you go yourself? Because I am always ready to give you what you didn't deserve, and that's my sufficient grace. And I am always careful not to give you what you deserve, and that's